Hi, welcome back to another tutorial. And if you're new here, my name is Laura Couture, and today I'm going to show you how I sew an apron. So it's very nice and easy for beginners. So without further ado, let's begin. For this tutorial, you will need zigzag scissors, your tape measure, your pin, of course, a pen chalk, a facing, a fabric. For today, I'm using two, but one will do the job just as fine. And I use a sassy red and another one which is red and orange. So I'm starting by folding the fabric in half, and as you can see here is like an A-line skirt. So I'm just trying to take the measurement. I'll give you the measurement because the measurement my measurement, but feel free to use your measurement. So yeah, I fold it this way, and and then I cut it, and then after that I just fold it twice on itself, just like so, as you can see. And I'm getting the end, the edges, using zigzag scissors. Obviously, please invest in it if you don't have one. So this is the bow, and I fold it as well. I folded the end as well. This is how it look. And the bow is 2 meter long, but 1 meter will do just fine depending on your waistline bend. I like my own to be as long as possible. Then I'm placing the facing as you can see here, and I'm placing the facing just on the waist side. I think it is like 30 centimeter. Then I am sewing the both side of the end, and I'm leaving the middle open. So make sure that when you're sewing, you try to sew at the edge as close as you can from the edge of the fabric. And then I'm turning the fabric just like so. And when I reach the end, I like to go out number one to make sure that the seam is tight as possible, because I don't really like to reverse. I just find it a bit ugly. Then I'm placing the skirt with the waistband together, and the right side with the right side, and I sew a half-inch seam allowance. And as you can see, this is the end of the opening, and you can also follow me on my social media that show on your screen. So for the front, I close it back just like so, and I'm using a pin to do that. Please make sure to use the pin as much as you can. Then I'm sewing a straight line down, and I'm sewing again as close as the edge as possible so that the thread is not much visible. And make sure that it's a straight line as well, nice and neat. If you make mistake, don't worry. Practice make perfect. And I'm finishing with a reverse stitch. So this is how it looked like. So it was pretty easy. Yeah, it's ideal for beginner, very quick and easy. No pockets. You can add pocket if you want to. If you have any more questions, please be sure to leave in the description box below, and I'll try to reply as much as I can, or give you some links, so on and so forth. So yeah, this is the last video for the month of August. Thank you for keeping me company throughout the month of August 2020, and have a blessed week. Bye for now.